There are certain things you should basically not do as a trader, and one of those things are dwelling on losses. Rather than doing that, you should find a way to use those losses to better develop yourself as a trader. I am Ekene Matthew. This is Mattel Trades, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do so right now. Hit the subscribe button and you will be subscribed. I recently lost my account and I did a video on that. Of course, I was hurt, but stuff like that isn't what you need to dwell on as a trader. So, what have I been doing? Have I been trading? Yes. There's this competition I signed up for, but didn't go through with it due to the other demo account I was trading then my live account, which is gone now. Having too many accounts to trade, I had to drop that one, but now I decided to pick it up. I also decided to do some evaluation on myself and take a look at my trading plan to see how I can improve it. I did some research and I was fortunate to stumble upon this YouTube channel where I literally got everything that my trading plan has been missing. I further dug into the trader who owns the channel, and man, did I find more of amazing stuff. Like, this guy is so good. He's so good. Why I decided to follow him is because his trading style is quite similar to that of Matt Dunleavy, which is kind of like my trading style, which I've been trying to work on all this while. So these two guys together definitely will help me do better in my trading journey. This guy doesn't just have cool YouTube videos. He also has free courses. He has this particular free course on his LMS. Then he has this free course also if you join the community. The community is new and anyone can join. It's free for now. It's been amazing. It's just 2 days, I think. I just joined the community and man, I can see a lot of potential in that community. Okay, enough of that. Let me just show you what I've been up to lately. Before I show you the things I've been up to, first, let me explain something. So this is my to-do list here, August, and we are in week 34. If you watch closely, you see the goal for this week is take at least 5 trades, raise any of my live accounts to at least $20, upload them. So I already prepared my mind. At this point, I was at the state of, oh, I want to raise this small money. I was no longer in that conservative state anymore, where I want to be growing the account gradually. After what happened on the Friday, prior to this week, it shifted my psychology. Do you understand? And I just made up my mind, yeah, the kind of risks I want to take now, it is that the account goes boom or I grow it. And that was why I included it in the goal. And yeah, you know what happened. The account went. So this is one of the courses I've been through. I just saw it yesterday though. The Fanatic Market Structure Mastery course. Then these are things that I have already gone through. I have undertaken these topics before. Then this is the community. This is the course in the community. You can see. You see. And this is the classroom. So I have completed this. And in this section now, it's really been great. Guy really did a lot. Really put a lot in this. If you are interested in taking this course, you let me know in the comment section and I'll drop a link to his YouTube channel here, or you can better still search for trading fanatics and you find them. So I did some forecast. So this is that of gold, but I didn't do all of this. I didn't map it out like this on GBP USD. But if you watch closely, you see that I already did draw out the swing high and the swing low on the 4 hour time frame, and on the internal structure having a fib level on this point, of which it already broke that level on the fib natural retracement tool. Now the my focus on GBP USD is if price should break this demand zone, we're likely to be looking for uh, sales. Okay, it's likely that it's likely that GBP USD will turn bearish. So that's it. The I haven't really been doing much of late. Went back to demo, trying to evaluate myself and my trading plan, seeing how I can do better when next I jump on a live account. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so. Like this video, share to others. Until I come your way next time, if you're a trader, trade safely, and I'll see you. Peace.